Welcome to Tapster. Let's activate your new wearable together. First, make sure to remove your phone case. Also, have your bank card ready. Then download the Tapster app from App Store or Google Play. Open the app and link your bank card to your new wearable. Setup takes just a few minutes. Once you're done, you're all set. Just tap to pay. Now let's find the NFC spot. On Android, it's at the middle to top part. During activation, keep your phone and wearable completely still on a flat surface, like a table. We've covered the basics. Let's start the activation. Download the Tapster app. Click on Register and enter your details. Then choose to activate your wearable. Start NFC on your phone before activation. Place your wearable at the NFC reader. After connecting, lift your phone from the wearable. Make sure your email is correct. Click Next. Now enter your details, then click Next to continue. Read through the terms and conditions and click I accept. Then place your phone back on the wearable and keep it still. Your ring is now creating a secure token from your card. Leave completely still for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Once connected, approve in your bank or choose your preferred method. That's it, you're ready to tap and pay.